Alright, I'm going to go ahead and get started on the front steering rods. On this 63 here. There's the old one right there. I got to get the main steering rod out of the middle, clean it up, get it measured in. Here's my new stuff right here. Idle arm, Pitman arm, tie rods, sleeves. Get it all measured up. We'll go ahead and break this one down. Let's do it. Okay, good deal. All right, that one's out. This is the main Pitman on here. Let's see if I can get this one out. Yeah, here you go. Okay, there we go. Ready to be cleaned up. Alright, the Pitman arm here has got a little slot here. Got a little slot right in here. That'll match the slot coming out of the rod from the steering box there. So that's just going to slide right on in there and match right on up. All right, on this idler arm here, had to go back and look at a few pictures. I didn't remember if this thing here was spun the other way where it sunk this back in there or if it was out. But this is the way the picture showed and when I took it apart. Plus it's the same on my red pickup. Okay, start that one, spin that one first. Let's see, did you spin it on?
Yep.
So good.
Alright.
Okay. Looking good, looking good. Go all the way down. Oh, this one's a little too much. Spin this now. Hold on. No, let me spin this. No, let it spin that. Spin it again. That's it. Now back off. Back off a few hits. That's good. Alright, that's it. Alright, here we go. Okay, put yours in there. Hold up. Hold up, let's see. Turn the wheel, let's see how it looks. Okay. Alright, go ahead and start that motor on there. That's good. And, let's push it your way. Right there. Alright, hold it right there for now. Find the pin now. Let's see how close I am. I'm right there on it. Alright, let's see. Man. Got good ways to go up on this one.
I'm gonna get the rubber seal.
Yeah. Well, it's the lock. It's built on the lock on the nut itself.
Yeah.
All right, got the idler arm on and the Pitman arm. That's what we're looking at. It's tight right there on the cross member, but that's the way it was from the factory. So that's going to work. I'll get the 2 tie rods on now, both ends. We'll be good to go.
Alright.
Here we go. Okay, you're right on it. Put the cutter key right in there. There it is. This way. There we go. All right, good deal. All right, I'm gonna measure center to center real quick. This is the right side of the truck. We just want to get it close anyway. Center to center is 15 3/4 on the old one. Let's measure the driver's side. Right on that grease fitting. Pretty close center here. About the same thing, 15 3/4. Let's start with that. That'll get us in the ballpark. Well, let's measure this one. Let me get you center. You got 15?
Yeah.
Close, okay. All right, let's go, hold that. All right, 50, let's see, wrong one. 15 and a half, let's see, 15 1/4, 15 and a half, 15 3/4. Let me make sure. That's good, let's go with that. That gets us real close. The wheel's pretty close too, leave it right there. That's real close, just by eyeballing. All right. Hey, you see my needle nose?
Yeah.
Oh. Let me make sure where I'm at. Okay, I see it. Try to find that little hole before I start. Somewhat tight. I'll have to unloose them later when I go line. Yeah, when I go line it up. Okay. All right, let's head to the driver's side. Middle nose.
I don't know.
Can you find them?
They're down there. Hold on.
All right, move, cut that wheel around a little bit.
It needs to go this way.
Yeah, the wheel does itself. Oh, right there. See, hit on top of that real good. There it is, right there. Then figure out where the cotter key's going in at. Come on down some more if you can. No, that's good. That's good. Leave it there. All right, good deal. I gotta tighten these bolts up. You see my little ratchet and my wrench? They're just regular old wrenches. All right, stop right there. Let's just leave it at that for now. We'll line it all up. All right. All right, got everything in. Looking real good. I still got to put my grease fittings in right there, as you can see. Turn that wheel. Everything's looking real good, like it's supposed to. It even lined up pretty good. But I know I still got to get it all lined up, so I'll catch all that later. Like I said, get my grease fittings in. And looking real good. I'll go ahead and do my master cylinder next and run all my brake lines. But yeah, for now, that's gonna do it. Y'all take it easy.